Hello guys, welcome back. And in this video, let's create a simple birthday wishes app for your friend's birthday. And it's very simple. Let us start. Yes, here you can see this. There are three views. One is text and two text views and one image view. So this is a simple basic happy birthday means saying happy birthday to your friend through an app. So he or she will feel surprised that you make an app for him or her. So let us start. And yes, if you got stuck and you don't know how to write this code, and I already given a code in our website several technologies tutorials, and you can copy this code and use this in your activity. So let us start. Yes, I am removing all these. So let us start. I'm giving a text view, wrap content, and here the text to my dear friend. And now I want to look it means look it attractive. So I'm increasing this to 25. So text size 25 sp, and yes, I want its color some other color. So yes, now you can see here one text view is there, and I want to create an image view and wrap content, and let us give a source and where we want to get the source and where we want to keep that image in an Android app where we want to store. Let us see. Let us download an app birthday wishes image. So here the Google birthday wishes, and let's go for images. Let's download some image. I'm saving this image. Yes, desk. I'm saving this on desktop and renaming it happy birthday, and click on save. And now open file manager and go to Windows C and users, and now the current user, and go to Android Studio projects, and here the application name is whatever you have given at the starting. So here it's my happy birthday. So app, and now source, and now go to main, and here go to resources, and here there are many folders, and now go to drawable. Here I already placed image, but I want to place it for you again, so I deleted it. And copy this, here the happy birthday image, Control C, and paste it here. And now let's go to Android Studio, and now I am giving an image here, source at the rate of drawable happy birthday. So now you can see this image view, and it is at the corner place. Now I want it at the center, so I'm dragging it to the center. And now it is at center. I'm increasing its size. Yes, now you can see this happy birthday image. And now I want to create another text view so that it shows the from wishes. So here, sorry, some mistake. And yes, let us create a text view. Wrap content. And now the text is from cyber world technologies. So you can keep whatever you want, and here you can keep the whatever the text you want. So I want to look it fair, and so I'm increasing its size, text size, so 25 sp. So I want it at the bottom, so it's matches with the previous text. So select it and drag it to this corner or somewhere else. So now it's looking fair. So I wanted text color, color primary. So it's changed to blue. In my project, color primary is the blue. So let's see where are the colors and where you have to add it. Now here are the colors. See here, color primary. My color primary name is here, blue color. So you can add colors from here, and I will show it to you how to add colors. So let us leave this. Just now you see here two and birthday wishes, and here from wishes. Here from wishes. Now let's run this app. Takes time, so I'm skipping this video. So it's launching activity. Yes, here you can see this. This is for now, and thanks for watching.